Hey beauties, let's take my hair from its natural state to this slick down ponytail that I am currently loving. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Adunni of ADUNNI'S, and today's tutorial I will be showing you guys the way I slick down my first natural hair to achieve something that I could go out. Guys, this is the first time I am trying ponytail on my hair, and I won't even lie, I struggled. But the end result is something to show off, and that is why you are seeing this video. If I wasn't able to come through with it, you definitely will not see this video. If you're new on my channel, you're welcome. I am Adunni, and I am a lifestyle content creator based in Abuja, Nigeria. I share hair tutorials to help you save and look good. So I parted my hair into two equal parts, and I am starting in beads from the back. I am trying so much not to pressurize myself because I had it at the back of my mind that if this tutorial did not pull through, I won't upload it. But thankfully, it pulled through. So the first hair gel I will be using is this Shine and Jam. And guys, I'm not even going to lie. For this side part, it actually worked. It worked. Like, I could sense that it laid my hair down. Another thing that I did was to make sure that my hair had little to no products in it so that the gel can be able to hold my hair down. If you have too much of products in your hair, like oils or too much of leave-in conditioner, you might struggle a bit with laying down your hair with any gel of choice you might be using. Also, you might have flakes after applying gel to your hair if your hair is not clean or if you have too much of hair products in your hair. Okay, I didn't know where my airbrush was on this particular day, and I wasn't going to stress myself, or I wasn't going to allow that delay the timing of this tutorial. Okay, so I went ahead to use that tail comb that you can see, and I was just gradually working my way into it. And now let's get straight into the main part. This was me vibing to Love and Money from Wizkid. I love that song a lot. And now I am trying to work in the hair from the front part into the already made pony at the back. So I am making sure that I'm working in beats so that it's not stressful for me, and also so that I can get to lay the hair down properly. So now the first part that I did from the front one, I added it to the one I already made at the back. If you guys understand me, I know you understand. And I'm also applying Shine and Jam to it, guys. My hand was already aching because this is the first time I am trying this on my first year. Ponytail is like my go-to style when my hair was relaxed, and I like it so much. It normally look good on me. And this one, guys, hey, the hair is not airing, the hair is not going to the back, but I'm trying to use this song to hold body. So I didn't want to do just plain slick down ponytail, so I wanted like some form of parts in it, and I think that was the beginning of the struggle of making this ponytail. First, I needed to get the part straight. I didn't want something straight. I wanted like a C curve half parts, yeah. And I think that was where the struggle for this tutorial began. But like I said, I'm here to show you like how I actually did it and how I was able to, use it for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, so I am making the part, and I am trying to like slick the parts down with my Shine and Jam, and definitely encouraging myself with music from MTV because you want to make sure that you have high energy, you're in a good mood when you're trying to make your first year, because it's going to stress you. Okay, it's going to stress you, but the beauty of it is that it will always come out looking good. So I'm trying to use my Shine and Jam to lay that part down, and I was struggling a bit. I think I should have worked like in section. I shouldn't have tried to lay everything down at once, but I think we pulled through. I think you would see if you're still watching this video up until this point and you're new on my channel. and you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. I went off camera to do the other parts because my arm was really aching and I needed to eat breakfast also. Now to the main, like the part that everybody's going to see once they are looking at me from afar. So now I went ahead to comb that part, and you will just see what I'll be doing. Okay, if you're new on my channel and you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button, turn on post notification. If you have a secret to laying your 4C hair, please share in the comment section. Let's learn from each other. Okay, and if there's anyone that you think would find videos on this channel interesting, please share the link with them. I have a handful of tutorials that you would find helpful for your day-to-day hairstyling, your hair DIYs, and just to save money. And Christmas is coming, so make sure you subscribe. I have a lot of like nice, quick, fast hair tutorials for you guys for Christmas. Okay, so make sure you're tuned in. Make sure you turn on your post notification. So my shine and jam definitely did not work up until the upper part of my hair. So now I am going in with this petal styling gel. This gel is particularly dry. It dried my hair out. So if you have a very dry hair, you might want to avoid this gel, but it actually helps to hold down my hair because there is no way this front part of my hair was going to get to the back part of my hair. So I needed a gel that will really hold it in place, and I used the petal styling gel. It's a very common gel. You can get it anywhere, any hair store around you. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but it worked a bit, right? 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 It worked a bit, and you can see that my face was already changing. And like I said, ponytail is for me. Like, ponytail is my go-to style. Anything that is like, once the hair is pulled to the back away from my face, I'm good. So I went ahead to I keep working in the gel into my hair, and the amount of products that I applied to my hair on this day was a lot. Now I am trying to use my scarf. I'm not trying to, I actually did. I used my scarf to tie it down so that it can slip in, so that the product can actually really settle in. And I left it for about 15 minutes to see the magic. And guys, this is the hair I'll be using. It's a kinky textured straight ponytail. I love it. I've had this ponytail for a very long time, and it still looks this good, guys. This hair, I really like it. Like, it has that kinky texture. It matches your natural hair texture a lot. It's tangle free. It's just very nice. Honestly, it is very nice. So I worked in this hair wax again after removing the scarf, and this gave shine. Like, this is the magic, guys. This hair wax is the magic. I shouldn't have used that petals. I shouldn't have used it. I could have just used this hair wax. But look at that shine, guys. Look at that shine. Like, at this point, I was like, oh, I am going to get more containers of this hair wax. Like, look what it did. Look at the shine. Honestly, this hair wax delivered. This hair wax delivered. Now, let's style this hair. So the first thing I will be showing you guys is this particular one. No. Yeah, guys, look at that headband. It took the hair from 0 to 100, if you ask me. Very nice. I like it. And it just upgrades the look of the hair. And I still can't get over the shine that this hair wax gave to my hair. Now to the second one. And I think this one is giving like cheek. Yeah, right? 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 So pretty. Oh God, I look so beautiful. It's so beautiful, and To the last one. Okay, okay, okay. To the last one. And this last one is my favorite headband. My favorite headband. See, it's screaming class. It's screaming royalty. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in my very next one. Bye.